Every guy today is walking around with the same exact fade. Low fade, mid fade, high fade. It doesn't even matter anymore. The problem is not the fade itself. The problem is that everyone looks the same. And instead of making you look more masculine, sharper, more defined, most of the time it actually makes you look younger, softer, and more boyish. You go to the barber, you show him a photo. You sit there thinking you're about to level up. He finishes, you look in the mirror, and nothing really changed. You still don't look stronger. You still don't look like that version of yourself you had in your head. Now look at successful men, businessmen, models, high-level guys, even celebrities. You'll notice something interesting. Most of them are not getting crazy fades every week. They stick to simple, clean hairstyles. So here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 masculine hairstyles that actually make you look more mature, more structured, and more attractive. So let's start. Hairstyle number 1, the classic side part. This is the definition of a timeless masculine look. Clean, sharp, and respectful. This works everywhere. School, university, office, meetings, it never looks out of place. It works best for round or oval face shapes, and it's perfect if your hair is straight or slightly wavy. If you want to look more mature without trying too hard, this is your go-to. Length matters here. Keep around 3 to 4 inches on top. The sides should be shorter but not faded. Everything should be blended softly using scissors, not clippers. When you sit in the barber chair, keep it simple. Tell him, I want a classic side part. Scissors on the sides, no fade. Keep it natural and clean. For styling, don't overdo it. Use a small amount of matte cream or sea salt spray. Add a little volume in the front. Don't press your hair flat. Let it move naturally. This haircut doesn't scream for attention. It speaks quietly but with authority. Hairstyle number 2, the regular haircut, no fade. This is the everyday masculine look. Simple, natural, zero stress. It's for the guy who doesn't try too hard but still looks good all the time. Length on top should be around 2.5 to 3 inches. The sides are shorter, but again, scissors, not machine. No harsh lines, no aggressive fades. Everything should look soft and blended. What to say to your barber? Regular haircut, no fade, shorter on the sides with scissors, keep it natural. Styling takes less than 30 seconds. Just dry your hair with your hands, add a bit of light cream or sea salt spray, and that's it. This is the haircut of men who look good without needing to prove it. Hairstyle number 3, medium length slick back. This one is about control, structure, and confidence. You don't chase attention with this style, you carry it. Best for guys with small to medium foreheads. Works great if your hair is straight or slightly wavy. Avoid this if you have a very large forehead or a strong receding hairline. Length is important. Keep 4 to 5 inches on top. The sides should be slightly shorter but no skin showing. This is not a fade. To style it, start with slightly damp hair. Add a bit of sea salt spray. Blow dry your hair backwards using your hands or a brush. Finish with a light hold cream. The key here is volume. Don't flatten your hair. Don't make it look like plastic. If it looks stiff, you're doing it wrong. Hairstyle number 4, the bro flow. This is for guys who prefer a relaxed masculine energy. Nothing forced, just natural confidence. Best for thick hair or naturally wavy hair. It's perfect if your hair grows fast and you don't want to visit the barber every week. It works on most face shapes, especially when the hair flows naturally to the sides and back. Length should be around 5 to 7 inches, long enough for the hair to fall naturally. Styling is simple. Use a leave-in conditioner or a lightweight cream. Style it using your fingers, not a comb. You can even push the front behind your ears for a cleaner look. Now for the barber part, this one is tricky. You need to tell him clearly, I'm growing my hair. Clean it up, don't shorten the length. No fade, just shape it and let it flow. Most guys mess this up by cutting too much. Don't do that. Hairstyle number 5, classic taper with natural volume. This is the safest option. Clean, simple, always attractive. If you don't know what to choose, choose this. It works for almost everyone, especially if you want to look put together every single day without overthinking. Top length should be around 3 to 4 inches. The sides and back are tapered gradually, but not a skin fade. This is important. When you talk to your barber, say, taper, not a fade. Scissor over comb, keep volume on top. For styling, blow dry your hair upward to create natural volume. Add a bit of sea salt spray and finish with a light cream. Now let's talk about something most guys ignore: barber communication. Stop saying, do whatever looks good. That's where everything goes wrong. You sit in the chair, the barber asks you what you want, and you give him full control. That's a mistake. Barbers are skilled, yes, but they are not mind readers. If you want a clean, masculine haircut, you need to communicate clearly. Here's exactly what you should say. Taper on the sides, not a skin fade. Use scissors, not machine. Keep the top around 3 to 4 inches. Don't cut it too short, keep it natural. That's it. This is the part most people screenshot because it saves them from bad haircuts forever. Strong hair makes every hairstyle look better. If you're serious about improving your appearance and leveling up, stay consistent. And if you want more real advice that actually helps you glow up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.